What if I told you that 5 simple herbs growing in your backyard could save your family during a medical emergency? When antibiotics aren't available, these plants could be the difference between life and death. Let's talk about natural antibiotic herbs that every survival garden needs. Welcome to Homestead Corner. I'm Jenny, and today we're diving into 5 natural antibiotic herbs that are absolutely essential for your survival garden. With ongoing drug shortages, limited access to healthcare, and the reality that disasters can strike at any time, growing our own medicine isn't just smart, it's necessary. We need to know what works, how to use it, and have it ready when our families need it most. Important disclaimer: before taking any new herbs, do your research and check with your doctor, especially if you're on medications. Some herbs can interact with pharmaceuticals or other herbs, so always prioritize safety. Now let's get into these 5 powerful plants. First up is oregano, and this herb is a powerhouse. It's antibacterial, antimicrobial, and can do wonders when you're fighting illness. Reduces the length of colds, fights bacterial infections, and tastes amazing in cooking. You can infuse oregano in oils or make it into tea. Pro tip: if you don't love the flavor of oregano tea, let your plants flower and harvest those little buds. They make a delicious floral tea that still packs all the medicinal benefits. Oregano is surprisingly high in omega-3 fatty acids, something we don't usually associate with herbs but is wonderful for overall health. It's also excellent for treating yeast infections and nail fungal infections. Just infuse it in oil and apply directly to the affected area. Number 2 is garlic, and if you only grow one medicinal plant, make it this one. Garlic is antibacterial, antimicrobial, and antifungal. It's absolutely phenomenal for bacterial and fungal infections. I've personally cured a tooth infection with garlic. Here's what you need to know. Herbal antibiotics work differently than pharmaceutical ones. You're not going to take just 1 clove a day and call it good. For an active infection, you need 1 to 2 cloves, 5 to 6 times a day. Your body processes herbal remedies faster than pharmaceutical antibiotics, so you need to maintain consistent levels throughout the day. Garlic also helps with arthritis, asthma, diabetes, and heart disease. It's truly a must-have for any survival garden. Number 3 is thyme. This herb is powerful, so a little goes a long way. Thyme is antibacterial, antifungal, and antimicrobial. The secret is thymol, a compound that fights bacterial infections, viral infections, and fungal infections with impressive effectiveness. Thyme also helps clear parasites from the body, which could be critically important in an emergency or survival situation where sanitation is compromised. The flavor is strong and pungent, so use it sparingly in cooking, but don't underestimate its medicinal value. Rosemary is number 4, and it's another multi-purpose herb that deserves a spot in your garden. Not only does rosemary fight bacteria, but studies show it helps clear your mind, improve focus, and support cognitive function. Whether you're using it in your cooking or as medicine, rosemary is both delicious and wonderfully therapeutic. Last but not least is lemon balm, a super simple, easy-to-grow herb that comes back year after year. Lemon balm is gentle yet effective, making it perfect for a variety of applications from teas to topical preparations. There you have it, 5 natural antibiotic herbs that every survival garden should have. With drug shortages continuing and healthcare becoming less accessible for many families, being self-reliant isn't just empowering, it's essential. I hope this video helps you on your journey to self-reliance. If you found it valuable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more homesteading and survival gardening tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.